just head up the street to a pretty famous Italian tractor manufacturer you might be familiar with. In a few seconds we'll roll inside and have a look around. Fortunately, this place is a lot better lit, so camera shouldn't have too much issues, and there's way less people, but I'm not very well versed in Lamborghinis, so I might have to do some Googling after. I could put some info on it. There's some proper cool cars in here though, some I haven't seen before, and they look tremendous. It's got a cigarette lighter on it. This is the sickest road trip car. It's kind of ugly, but plenty of space in it. I think you'd comfortably drive across Europe in that thing. This place just reminds me of Vice City going and then hijacking the supercars out of the dealership. I might have to put some period correct soundtrack to this video.
Niggas pistol popping like it's 1999. I was 9, maybe 10, then again, never mind. Press rewind, back in time, before rappers dropping dimes. Trapper die, chopping pies, with cliches all in they rhymes. That was Gucci, Prada, and anything designer. Money, power, the whole enchilada. Commas, dollars, the greens and the guava. They serve you to your flocker if you disrespect that blocker. Blocker choppers on these coppers, fuck these coppers. I'm a rider like Tupac or Biggie Papa. Yeah, you oughta, but I'm hotter. Carjacking, pistol packing, motherfucking choppers clapping, metal jacket, automatic magazines, head on traffic, fender smashing, windows crashing, pants sagging, fuck your fashion. Yeah, a nigga run Manhattan, back in Cali's where it happened. Gucci, Escada, and anything designer, groupies, boppers, they all gonna swallow. It's problems, the robbers, the goons and the goblins, they hating a lot of Medulla Oblongata. From New York to San Andreas, all around the world.
God forgives and I don't. It's one of my many emotions. That's one of my many flaws. I am flawed. It may not seem that way, but I could talk about the bodies, I could tell you about the killing. Duct taping niggas in the name of drug dealing. Big body Benzes while the bitch niggas starve. Turtleneck Mercedes blowing smoke up out the top. Time to talk about the money, I can tell you about the profit. Oceanfront spot, moving niggas out the projects. Diamonds on my neck, call it the ghetto's guillotine. Fucking with them jewelers, nigga lit up like a screen. HD, look at me ballin', I'm talking high definition. Fucking up 6 digits, boy, that's just my definition. Niggas gotta get murked, but I'm just minding my business. Bought 3 Range Rovers, Dolo, so fuck expedition. On the road to the riches until I'm paid in full. And the Lord is my witness, I got an AK to pull. These niggas full of shit, my niggas moving bricks. I confront you 50, but you gotta move them quick, my moolah. When they got me a chopper to put it right in your face. Better blow out your brains before you give me your case. Got the 40 by my dick, I keep on pissing on the hammer. When they talking slick, I double back with that banana. High definition, I'm stacking money to the ceiling. Fuck my whole feelings, look here, it's time to make.
I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but funny thing about these Murcielagos is that indicator is off a Ford Fiesta. So if you go to Lambo to buy another one from the factory, they'll charge you about £800 or something. Whereas you can just ring the Ford Wreckers and get one for like $2. Pretty silly, really. Right, we've also saved the best car of the collection till last. One that any Need for Speed fans from the early 2000s will be very fond of. It's another funny fact about these as well, those headlights from a 300ZX. So if you see under the eyelids, if you peel that up, you'll find a Nissan logo. Be interesting to see how much they charge, because I'm sure they've still got a bunch lying around in their factory. You just buy one from Pick Apart for $20 and it'd be sweet.